Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can add privacy policies to your Wix site. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, you're going to find the option to create a new folder, and right next to it, you're going to find the option to create a new site. In the center of your screen, you're going to find all of the sites that you have on Wix. So right now, go to the site you want to edit, have your mouse over it and click on select and edit site. Once you do that, you're going to be taken to your dashboard. So once here in the dashboard, just go to the left side of your screen and then you're going to find all of these sections. Right now, go all the way down and click on edit site. And then you're going to be redirected to this page right here. This is basically the Wix website editor. So just wait for the page to load. And then once loaded, this is how it will look like. So right now, if you go here to the left, you're going to find all of these tools that will help you to customize and design your site. Here you're going to find add element, add section, pages and menu, site design, and here you're going to find add apps. So go ahead and click on add apps, and then here you're going to find app market and also custom apps. Go to the search bar in app markets and search for privacy policy. Once you do that, go ahead and hit enter. And then right here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find multiple choices. So for example, I'm going to choose this one, privacy policy terms of service. So I'm going to click on add to site and then just wait for it to load and then click on agree and add. So just wait for this to load and then you're going to be right here. Once here, we're going to click on get started, log in to your account, and then follow the steps to add privacy and policy to your Wix site. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.